Hello guys, so today I'll be installing a wig from Zlike. I ordered this wig from Amazon and it's a bust down 32-inch curly. I'm not sure what curl it is, but yeah, so I'm just slicking back, combing my hair, and then I'll put edge control so that my hair can be slicked back and flat. You guys, it's been a minute. I've been consistent, and yes, in every video I talk about how I've been consistent because I can't believe I've been consistent, but you know, life. So yeah, this is a beginner video. This is this is like, I think maybe the 5th or 6th time I'm installing a wig in my head. So this is a beginner. So I'm a beginner, and it's a beginner teaching beginners. Yeah, so we're all learning at the same time. So I'm going to tie my hair in a ribbon. So I didn't buy this wig directly from the Zlike website. I believe it's a Chinese company, and they have a store on Amazon. So I got this wig cap. The wig came with a wig cap and a melting band. So I'm there installing the wig cap, and then afterwards you see me spray on top of the wig cap. I used Got to Be spray. I did like 2 layers. Yeah, so by the way, I was installing this wig in the night for something I had to do the next day. So I wasn't able to use a blower to dry it out. You're supposed to use a blower to dry it out, and not what I did. But if you don't have a blower, you can do what I did, where I used what did I use? A cardboard or something, like, yeah, to spray to fan the, like I used the cardboard thing from the wig cap to fan the glue so that it could dry up. But if you use a blower, you should put it on cold air and not warm air. So then I got the scissors, I cut it out. So as I was saying, Zlike has a store on Amazon, and the wig was $200 and something, but in kwacha it was like around 4,000 kwacha. Yeah. And I know you guys have seen the classic, you put a cap and then you blend the cap with your skin using foundation or powder. I did not do that because I was wearing this wig for 2 days, and it's not like I was going anywhere special. I was just wearing it for 2 days because I didn't want to comb my hair for 2 days. But yeah. So just make sure you do that. So I spread the first layer. I didn't film that, but it dried up quick, so the wig didn't stick. So before you put your first layers, you have to wear your wig like I am doing, and then just comb the wig back so that when you put your glue or your Got to Be spray, the wig doesn't stick. The strands of the hair strands from the wig doesn't stick to the glue. So by the way, I did not use glue. I used Got to Be spray because that's another option if you don't want to keep it for a long time. Because I did not intend to keep it for a long time, I used Got to Be spray as my glue. So I put on 3 layers. You see me put on 3 layers. So I put on the first layer, dried it out with that cardboard, and then when it became sticky, I went with the second layer. When it became sticky, I went with the third layer. So don't wait for it to dry out completely. You have to wait for it to be sticky, just like lashes. Like if you're putting lash glue, you wait for it to be sticky for you to put on the lash, and not wait until it's dry. So as you guys saw, the spray was going beyond the boundaries. You can use spirit or any alcohol. There I use sterilizer to clean up the mess. So I'm going in with my second layer now. You just have to be patient. Anyway, yeah, so I got this from Amazon, and then I sent it to my friend's address in the US, and it arrived very late on my end, but that's a story for another day, because that's dramatic. But yeah, that's a story for another day. So I'm going in with my third layer as well. I feel like I just be saying, giving you guys half stories and then saying that's for another day, because it really is for another day, or probably this story never even see the light of day. Went in with the cardboard, sprayed it, fanned it down, and it became sticky. So went in with the third layer. Fanned it down until it becomes sticky. So you guys can see it's sticky. Like that's the consistency you should be looking for when it's sticky. Yeah. And then you know, oh, it's time to lay that wig. So you do it in sections. You can start from the left, middle, and then you go to the right. So that's how I did it. But then I put this wig to low, and it is at that moment I knew that, oh, this is not okay. Like, I need some forehead to show, to look like a normal person. Yeah.
Brother, what's that?
So when I realized that, I lifted this wig up. I felt so bad because it was already stuck down. I had to lift it up and push the wig back a bit. And then I just got the brush to make sure the hair doesn't stick to the glue. And then after making sure the lace is stuck, I combed the wig back, and I got the melting band. So the melting band, I used this from Doha. Doha is also a company that has hair products like melting spray. So that's the hairband I used to hold down the glue. And then afterwards, I'm going to go in with the melting spray. And then I just made my ears comfortable. I think I did this like for 10 to 20 minutes. So yeah, Zlike also comes with a melting band, and that's the melting band. So afterwards, while the glue is settling in, I style this wig. I got water, so that's completely water in the bottle, but then I needed something to happen ASAP, and the water was taking time. So I got some olive oil mousse. Yeah, olive oil, the company. I got the mousse and made sure the mousse did its job. Actually, as you guys can see, like the water was taking time, but the mousse said, yeah, let's get straight to business. And it did what had to be done. Also, when you have charms, if you look at my nails, I have white charms. The white charms were in the way so bad. Like the hair was getting stuck to the charms. So I know the next time I'm doing my hair, I'll make sure not to have charms on my nails. And the day I get my nails done, I'll just make sure that they don't have charms, because the charms really interfered with my life. But they're cute though. So as you guys can see the difference, right? Like the hair is now looking nice, it's looking watery. And then I went in with water. I think this is a water wave. Do you guys think this is a water wave? I actually don't know what it is. But yeah. So you guys can see the difference from this side and that other side. It's giving more faster. So I went in with my comb. I did a side part. Actually, I don't have a favorite part. Like, I like both the middle and the sides. But growing up, even with my actual hair, I always did the side part. But yeah, I did the side part. Oh, disclaimer, the wig does not come pre-cut. I had someone pre-cut the wig. I paid someone to pre-cut the wig, and then I took it to another salon to wash the wig, because the person who pre-cut the wig wanted to charge me so much money. First of all, just styling customizing the lace. This is bleaching the lace and customizing it. She charged me 500, and then she wanted to charge me additional for washing the wig. I was like, nah, this girl is scamming me, because from other places they charged me cheaper just for customizing. I think they charged me like 350 or 250 when I went to another place for customizing the lace. So yeah, you guys can see it's done. So I go in with the Doha melting spray. The white lace. We do not want a white lace. So I sprayed a generous amount on a lid and just tapped it into the lace. But yeah, people in Lusaka are scammers. Speaking of Lusaka, people are scammers. Let me talk about my code day. Like my code day, when I asked someone to make a wig, I gave her 4 bundles because I know the bundles were light, so I made sure to buy 4 and the lace front. This wig came back like there were 2 bundles and a half with a lace front, and then she was giving me an attitude. First, for her to make the wig, she was giving me an attitude, and then getting back the wig, she was like, who's this? Like, bruh, why are you asking me who's this? I've been contacting you back to back on WhatsApp, and even sometimes she would ignore my messages. So anyway, so after putting the melting spray, you just have to spray. So you have to what I'm doing, dry the melting spray, and then you get the melting band and put it on top. So when you're using the melting band, you have to wait for the product to dry first before using the melting band. As you guys can see, the white stuff is still showing. The melting didn't do anything, but it does something. So I went in with my powder that's in my shade, a loose powder. This is not a pressed powder. Yeah, you go in with your loose powder, and then I went in with a melting spray, and then made sure it's dried, and then I went over it with a melting bud for the final look. So back to that person I was talking about. Oh, by the way, the company's name is Less by Lolo. And then for my code, because she didn't make the wig, I asked if she could install. She said no, she won't be able to, but she won't be able to. But then I saw she did some people's installations for their code. Then I'm just like, yeah, this girl definitely stole my wig, and she didn't even want to install it. But that's fine. I mean, everyone has favorites. And yeah. So who did my hair for my code day? I think it was Uncle Evans, and I'm grateful that he did my hair. And then for my cold day, Glamson did my makeup. I would rate that makeup like a 6 out of 10. I think I can do better. No, I know I could do better on myself. And then when she was doing my makeup, she put so much makeup in my hair, and then she goes like, you should go back to your hairstylist so that he can do your wig. And I'm just like, what do you mean go back to my hairstylist? My code day is this morning. I've come to do my makeup and you expect me to go back to the hair to Uncle Evans. Like, yeah, people are just sabotaging my stuff. Oh, by the way, have you guys done that? I'm putting, like, I removed the hair in the sides, in the side bands. Yeah, the hair in the side, so that the sides could also hold down. Yeah, I learned that from Miss Fabulous Renee. Then waited like for 10 minutes because now I was so sleepy. So after the 10 minutes, she removed the band and it's melted. Yeah. Period. Like, let's wear. Ooh, ah. So you guys, this is how you blend your lace with your skin. So I went ahead, removed the hair clips. You see, the hair was already styled, so I didn't do much. As I said earlier, this is 32 inches.
Bad bitch, ass fat, 40-inch hair, yours came in a pack. Camel toe fat, you can see it from the back. Go back.
Stand up, show them the inches. I know that's right. Ooh.
Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Break it down, speed it up.
Get off that Don Julio, act a folio.
So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. And yeah, this is me in the sun. Yo, one thing about me, I'll always stand on this balcony just for the sun. Like, I don't even have to wait for the evening sun. Like, the sun will always do what needs to be done. My skin was just popping and this color looks great on me.
It's fake it until you make it, I swear. They can go harder. It's making me to look like I don't have pimples, like I'm brown.